Good morning, good day from Farmers Insurance Team with the LC Murphy Agency. I just wanted to come to you with some more information here about the insurance industry and some little nuggets to look for on your policies, even if you're not with farmers. So I'll start off with the medical payments. A lot of people don't pay attention to that entry on your auto insurance. So medical payments, most of us don't worry about it because we have health insurance. If we're in an accident, we have to take an ambulance, go to the emergency room due to a car accident, auto accident. No big deal. Our health coverage pretty much covers most of it. You might have to pay a $50 copay, no big deal. Some people do not have adequate medical insurance, or you may not have any at all. And so the default setting for most auto insurances is $1,000 for medical payments. And people will be like, okay, whatever. That's the lowest it can go. It costs little or nothing. It doesn't add much to my premium. No big deal. But here's the deal. If you're ever in an accident and you don't have adequate health coverage and or you have no health coverage, I had a couple come in my office a while back. They had the 1,000 medical payments. They had a bill that went uh, over the 1,000. They had some medical coverage, but they were on the hook for $500 after that. That's after paying their deductible for the accident itself to get their car repaired. And so they came in, we raised their medical payments to 2,500 and raised their bill about $15 overall for the whole 6 month policy. So you divide six into 15, you're talking what, $3 a month, $4 a month, less than that, extra to get an additional $2,000, $2,500 on their medical payments that would have kept them from having to pay 500 out of pocket. So we want to keep that in mind if your medical coverage is not enough to cover that, because you never know. You got to go to the emergency room, have to ride in the ambulance. They're going to charge, and your insurance company is not going to be like, oh, we'll give you a little extra. We feel bad for you. No, they're going to pay you what's on your policy. That's it. And rest of it is on you. Some changes are coming down the pipe for farmers, and I'll go over some changes for other insurance carriers. And I expect over the next 6 to 8 months, I'm going to have people lining up at my door. So we'll start with this one here. There's a lot, and this is mostly for California. There's a lot going on in the insurance industry. Companies are losing money. So y'all know how it goes. When the companies lose money, they hit the people to recoup that money. But there's a lot of fraud out there also. A lot of people riding dirty, and it causes the folks who are trying to be honest and trying to do right, it costs them. So from now on, you come into the office here, or you're over the phone, or you can even get a policy with Farmers with me online on your own. But guess what? There's a 10-day hold on that policy. So if you were to write a policy today, being the 9th of March, 10 days out is the 19th of March is when the effective date would be for your policy. Before, you could come in, we write a policy, your effective date is today, you walk out with insurance cards, you're covered the second you walk out of here. Not no more. 10 days later is when the effective date, the earliest effective date is 10 days out. During that time, they are requiring documents, especially if you have it's just different things will pop up, what's called contingencies. The system would trigger different contingencies. You may need a proof of the odometer reading. You can't just take a picture of your speedometer and say, oh, this is mine. They're not taking that. You got to have a recent oil change or something official that shows your odometer, speedometer reading. There's other forms of supporting documents that they need. They're going to need pictures of the vehicle every single time now. Before, they only needed it sometime. They need it every time. We get calls sometimes. People are at the dealership. Okay, I got this car. Here's the VIN number. And normally we were good to go. Not no more. Give me the VIN number and we'll have your insurance ready to go in 10 days. Make sure you send the supporting docs, the registration, all of that. Here's the next thing. Allstate, if you are a business owner, uh, um, restaurant owner commercial policy with Allstate. And this is in California, Florida, Louisiana, New Jersey, and New York, starting quarter 2. So quarter 2 starts in April. Starting in quarter 2, if your policy renews after April of 2023, I'll just read it here. It said, in light of continued cost pressure, Allstate is making the decision to not renew their active commercial policies. So if you have a commercial policy of any kind with Allstate, call me. I have a new direct number, 707-236-5267. It's that new. I haven't even memorized it yet. So give me a call. Let's get you written up for your commercial policy, because if there's a gap in coverage, you don't want that falling off. And you definitely don't want it falling off. And then you have a claim come up and they're going to be like, you don't have coverage. So you definitely want to keep that going. If you're with Allstate, give us a call. We will get you covered. The other thing is, the state of California has approved rate increases for all the companies. All the companies put in their rate increase proposals months ago. Everybody got their approval. Farmers, sadly to say, we're going up 6.9% across the board. Allstate's going up 6.9%. Geico, your little Geico gecko sitting there choking on that chicken wing sauce in that cute little commercial. Yeah, they're going up 35%. And plus, they closed all their California offices several months ago. Again, 707-238-5267. Y'all come see me. AAA going up 25%. Again, 707-238-5267. Come see me. When your policy renews this year, those new rate increases automatically kick into your renewal. Okay. Mercury is going up 6.9%. Progressive, with their cute little aprons on, they're going up 17.4%. Safeco, what I was told, they're having issues. If you with Safeco, 707-238-5267. Give me a call when your renewal comes up, because it's not going to be cute, and it's going to be kind of crunch time trying to get things done, especially with this new 10-day hold. Y'all give us a call. More to come. We have new information coming up. Possibly I will be moving my office from Vallejo to Fairfield. Sam, great service. I have Maya, my staff member, will be picking up payments from cash customers in Vallejo that normally come into the office. We'll get more information on that as it unfolds. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.